Get some focus going here. Alright, there we go. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for tuning back in. Today we have a very special video. My car Roscoe is finally wrapped and ready. This has been a long process, but I'm really glad to be able to finally share it with you guys.
Faze, take a moment, let it phase you. Faze, take a moment, let it phase you.
If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. We just hit 100 subscribers like 2 weeks ago, and now we're at like 150, so I'm really excited about that. Thank you guys for all the support. The next goal is 200, but eventually we'll get to 1K, hopefully bigger than that. Welcome to the pack. Stick around to check out this wrap, no cap. Hope y'all like my GQ hat. Alright family, well I think we got enough looks at Roscoe, and his new wrap is fantastic. I'm very happy with the way it turned out. Again, if you guys are new here, please hit the subscribe button. My content is only getting better. I'm having a lot of fun making these videos, doing these projects, and getting to connect with you guys. I like when you guys leave comments and really interact with me. Please let me know what you guys want to see in the future with Roscoe. I'm gonna have another similar video like this with the Tesla, with the new gold chrome wrap and everything. So stay on the lookout for that. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, check out some other videos. Welcome to the pack. I will see you guys next time. Peace.